Well, I left old Jimmy shaking, and I made myself a call. I've been thinking about that number ever since I left St. Paul. Hi, Jane, it's good to hear your voice. I just got back in town. I got to shave and shower and shine my shoes, and then I'll be right down. Well, I just can't wait to see you. I'm lonesome as can be. I've been a jamming gear for 7 days, came down through Tennessee. But Albuquerque, that's my town. I'm home, thank God for that. Just brew my coffee hot and black, and I'll be down in the bed flat. I pound that road both day and night, hauling freight from here to there. I got no roots to hold me down, and no one left to care. I wouldn't trade 2 cents for the whole wide world, and buddy, that's no joke. I mean the perfume on that redhead and the smell of diesel smoke. There's a lot of beauty in this world some folks will never see. I like the sight I'm looking at right now, it's shining up at me. It'll take your breath when you top the ridge, coming from the west. And there's Albuquerque spread below like a eagle on every nest. I found that road both day and night, hauling freight from here to there. I got no roots to hold me down and no one left to care. I wouldn't trade 2 cents for the whole wide world, and buddy, that's no joke. I mean the perfume on that redhead and the smell of diesel smoke.
You're walking on my heart. You're walking out on me. I'll just be the carpet in your house of reverie. You're walking on my heart like a sidewalk of stone. You stepped on my feelings. You say our love is all gone. The paper is ending in sorrow. You say it's the end of the line. There's nothing to live for tomorrow. Because you're no longer mine, you really trampled on me when you said we must part. But can't you see where you're treading? You're walking on my heart. Life's highway has lost its direction. I don't know which way to turn. I'm blinded by sorrow's reflection. All I can do now is yearn. My emotions have died since you ripped them apart. While you stroll with another, you're walking